Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have two quick and easy but elegant Dollar Tree DIYs. So I'm getting started with some of these gold honeycomb frames from Dollar Tree, and I have the 4x6 and 5x7 ones. I'm going to be taking these apart and taking away all of the hardware. And as you can see here, I'm going to be creating a design for a wall sconce with these. And you can really play around with how you want your wall sconce to look, but I'm making sure I have the front as well as the sides for my wall sconce. So I'm going to be taking two of these wood planks, and I got these from Dollar Tree. They come in a pack of 5, and I'm going to be tracing the front of my wall sconce onto the piece of wood, and then I'm going to be using my X-Acto knife to score this. I've got 6 of the tumbling tower blocks, and I'm going to be gluing 3 together. Now this is going to be the side for my wall sconce, and I'm going to be gluing the 2 planks, one on the back and one on the front. I'm going to be using some of the clear balloon sticks to create some bars to be able to hang my crystals, and I'm also going to be using the Dollar Tree push lights for my lighting. So I'm going to go ahead and glue my pieces to the front of my wall sconce just using some hot glue. And for the 2 middle ones, I did add a second layer just to add a little bit of dimension to the look of my wall sconce. And my 2 pieces for the side, I did have to cut one of the panels in half the long way. So I'm also going to be using some adhesive rhinestones that I got on Amazon. I will list them down below just to cover up the rough edges. I did try to use the backing for one of the picture frames to hang this wall sconce, but it did lean off of the wall, so I just decided to go ahead and add some command strips just for a more flush look onto the wall. So I'm starting off with 2 8x10 mirrors from Dollar Tree, and I've cut a foam board to the length of both of these mirrors as well as 2 strips of mirrored tiles. And I'm adding those mirrored tiles in between both of my 8x10 mirrors. Now I'll be taking 2 of the longer sides on the 5x7 mirrors, and I'm going to be gluing these to the corner of these mirrors, and I'm going to do opposite sides of each of the mirrors. I'll use my X-Acto knife to remove any of the excess hot glue. And I'll be using this rhinestone adhesive to embellish the sides where you see the foam board. I'm also going to be covering the edge of the picture frame. And here's how the mirrors turned out. I absolutely love the way these look. They look very high end. I also think they would make a gorgeous tray. So let me know down below, what are your thoughts on how these DIYs turned out, and if you'll be trying any for yourself. So that is all for today. I want to thank you so very much for watching. I truly appreciate your time. I hope that you're continuing to stay safe, and I will talk to you in the next one.